Now we are going to solve question number 6.21, and in this question it is given to you the blades of a windmill sweeps out a circle of area capital A. Clear? So now we can see, let's suppose I am assuming, let's suppose here we have a wind blade like this. For example, this is a wind blade. Clear? Let's suppose like this. Clear? Now it is given in a question, it is sweeping out an area that is capital A. Clear? So area that is given to you A. It is also given in part number A, if wind flows at a velocity capital V perpendicular to this circle. So let's suppose we are assuming the air is moving perpendicular to this area, that is with the velocity of capital V. Clear? Now we have to find what is mass of air passing through it in time t. Clear? So actually we know mass is given by density multiply volume. Clear? So density of air, so we are assuming, let's suppose density is rho. Now we are talking about volume. Volume we can say this is area and multiply distance covered in time t. Clear? So from here we can say mass, this is given by rho a v t. Clear? Now it is also given in part number B, what is kinetic energy of the air. Clear? So now we can calculate kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, this is given by half of mv square. Clear? From here we can say half m. Mass of a air that is passing in time t, this is given by rho a v t. Clear? And I can say this is v square. Clear? Always keep in mind this v is a volume. Clear? This v is a volume and this v we can say velocity. Clear? So from here we can say 1 by 2 rho a v cube multiply t. This is kinetic energy of an air that is going through in a time t or passing through this area in time t. Clear everyone? Yes. Now we can say, if we talk about part number C. Clear? In part number C it is given windmill converts 25% of wind energy into electrical energy. Okay, and area is given to you and velocity is also given. Okay, density of air is also given. What is electric energy produced? Clear? Now listen carefully. Actually we can say this windmill is converting only 25% of its total energy. Clear? So I can directly write here output, energy output. I can say this is 25% of total kinetic energy. So 25% means I can say 25 by 100, and value of kinetic energy given 1 by 2 rho a v cube multiply t. Clear? So from here we can say this is 1 by 4, I can say 1 by 8 rho a v cube multiply t. Clear? And we can say this is energy output. Now what is our objective in part number C? Our objective is very clear, that what is electric power produced. Clear? So directly we can say power produced is given by work done per unit time. Clear? So now we can divide this expression with time, rho a v cube t divided by t. I can say t and t is cancelled out. Clear? So electric power produced, this is given by 1 by 8 rho a v cube. Clear? Now in this question all other parameters are given. Now we can here put all the values. Clear? So now listen carefully. So if I talk about power, I can say 1 by 8 rho a v cube. Clear? 1 by 8 density of air, this is given 1.2 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, if we are talking about area, clear, area is given, yes or no? Area given, this is 30, and velocity is given to you 36 kilometer per hour. We can convert in meter per second. So 36 multiply 5 by 18, I can say this is 10 meter per second. So 10, 10, 10. This is 1000. Clear? From here you can say this one is 2. We can say this is 4. I can say this is 15. Clear? From here we can say 10, this one, and this is 3. Clear? So from here you can say this is 45 multiply 100 watt. Clear? Or you can write like this, this is equal to 4.5 kilowatt. It means we can say this windmill is producing 4.5 kilowatt of power. Clear everyone? So like this we can solve this question. Clear? So this is all about this question.